Hey everyone, welcome back to the Corvette Kid YouTube channel. I'm the Corvette Kid. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is what I was working on today. Shot a bunch of the Mac 2s on the ceiling. Sorry if it's really noisy, that's just the way it is. So I shot a bunch of Mac 2s on the ceiling and then just ran the wire. That's a 12.3 for emergency. But basically just went around most, or at least half the day, and shot the Mac 2s on the ceiling with the air gun, or the battery gun, Hilti, and then just went back and pulled the wire through it. I got wire going all the way down to the very end, and I'll show you that here real quick. The first part's not that good, and this part's pretty good. Going straight here. So I'm just leaving coils of wire here for the lights because it's going to be a drop ceiling. So those are about 8 foot. Oh my God, it's so noisy, but it's about 8 foot long. And then I got one going there, and then I started working on going across. This is going to be going over to the stairwell right there, and there's my roll of wire right there. So that's going to be a stairwell, and then yeah. So you probably can't see it. Alright guys, so first day back at the job, it went pretty well. It did seem like a really long time just because I haven't worked in forever. 8 hours seemed like 10 or more. Everything went pretty smooth. I had a pretty easy day at work, just shooting stuff on the ceiling and pulling wire. But it just seems like no one gives a crap about safety or COVID-19 coronavirus. There's maybe 4 or 5 people wearing masks. So no one's really wearing masks. No one's staying 6 feet away from each other, which is literally impossible. I couldn't even do it. There's just no, I don't know, it's just really upsetting that people could die or whatever. I mean, I don't know, I'm kind of in between on should I take this seriously or not, but it is kind of serious, and it's kind of got me not panicked, but I guess more anxious than I thought. It's just making me very irritated when people got too close to me at work or whatnot. You know, my parents are more older than most, so they could potentially die. Granted, I wasn't really participating in the mask or whatnot, but yeah, just a lot of non-safety going on, or no one following the rules. I was not promised, but I was told in a letter from my company that there would be mandatory mask, I think eye protection and gloves worn at all times or something like that, and so no one was following any of that. I didn't even see any of those materials. I was also told that there was going to be sanitary wipes, which I never saw, and that we had to sanitize tools before we passed them between each other or whatever. And there's just a lot of passing stuff back and forth between 4 different coworkers. Nothing sanitized, so it's just kind of irritating that there's these kind of rules sent out and none of them are being followed or observed. So I mean, I personally don't want to wear a mask. I mean I do want to keep people safe and respect other people. I was just expecting to keep my distance, keep my 6 feet, and not wear a mask. That would be great. But there's just a lot of instances where you can't stay 6 feet apart at all. People are just 1 foot away, looking at blueprints or whatever, just yeah, just looking at blueprints, or kind of close quarters at lunchtime. I was told that the lunches were going to be spaced out, so people were going to not be next to each other, and everyone took lunch sat next to each other. I try to keep my distance. Most people, it was probably like 4 or 5 feet between people, but I was keeping my distance. So anyways, it's just really annoying and frustrating that we have to go back to work. I mean, granted, I already knew like this isn't gonna last forever, but I just feel like it's super annoying that everyone's trying to stay home and stay safe, and then they're just like throwing you back, like go to work and like nothing's being like practiced or like in check or whatever. So that's kind of annoying, but anyways, I guess that is what it is. Hopefully my parents don't die, but oh well. And that'll wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yep, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow for another update, and I'll probably be doing more of the same, just pulling wire, and there's a lot of stuff in the way, a lot of people taking down the scaffolding and the concrete plywood that was used for the pour, so there's a bunch of stuff stacked up in the way. So I'll see what I can get done tomorrow, but they might throw me on something else to keep me busy, so I'll keep you updated in tomorrow's video. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and probably more of me talking, but anyways, I'm glad to be making videos again, but I'd rather not be at work if it was up to me. Anyways, see you guys later. God bless. Don't forget to check out the description. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload videos. And another giveaway coming up in like a month or month and a half when I hit 500,000 views. Thanks for all who participated in the giveaway and the live stream winner giveaway results. So that was fun. And yep, see you guys later. Peace out.